Range Rover Sport SV Edition 1 with all the carbon optional extras on. Monday morning, Porsche Panamera dropped off, McLaren in for paint protection film, BMW XM in for the wing mirror, PPF, and some work that BMW Leeds want us to carry out. We've got a brand new Range Rover SV. Just been dropped off a full car PPF, brand new Range Rover, about 3 months old, in as well for vinyl works doing to these bronze sections here, on the other side, on the rear quarter, and then on the rear boot here, and then some PPF as well. And about 11 o'clock we've got another Range Rover arriving for PPF and the GTX ceramic coatings. So busy morning today. Full carbon fibre wheels. Wouldn't like to curb one of them.
Brand new Range Rover Autobiography in this stunning green paint finish colour, and then a personal favourite of mine is actually got tan leather as well. Currently locked, but you can see in there, which is nice. Long wheelbase, so obviously just the rear doors longer, so the whole frame is longer. This is in for full gloss PPF, so you won't be able to tell it's on, no visual change, but the bonnet, everything, all the paintwork, all the gloss black. Under here the splitter will be done, gloss black sills, obviously all the green paint, even the B pillars, mirrors, A pillars, and also all the roof around the pan roof. So pan roof left, but this bit gets done, that bit, these trims, that bit, and obviously all the spoiler. And then badges will be removed, PPF applied, and the badges on top, so no joins or cutouts visible. So yeah, this is how it looks now. Inside here, a Westminster older version 2021 Range Rover, gloss black with the satin PPF everywhere, and then everything from the glass upwards gloss, leaving some bits on the doors gloss, the splitter and stuff for that contrast.
McLaren dropped off by McLaren Leeds. One of our good clients wanted us to PPF it for him. Miles with the customer. you can see, we're just wrapping the, what they're called, them things.
Trim.
Yeah, trim. Wrapping the trim on the Range Rover gloss black. It's the Rover bronzy colour like I mentioned in the video earlier. We have done full car paint protection film on this, protecting all the carbon areas. So as you can see, it's got a high velocity of carbon along the car, so the bonnet, the bins, what they're called, Miles?
Vents.
The vents on the bonnet. It's also got carbon badges as well along the front, and then all the carbon along here, which you'll see as the video goes on. The carbon wheels, which is what you never see. Customer's very brave getting these, but obviously he wanted them, so hopefully he doesn't curb them. So I dread to think how much that will be for a new wheel from Range Rover. On the interior, going into the interior, we just protected that in full G-Technic ceramic coatings. As you can see, it's two-tone, so we don't want any dye transfer from any jeans going onto the cream leather there. Obviously, the carbon wheels, we can't put PPF on them because they'll just fly off over time. So we have protected them in G-Technic C5. And then the exterior glass in G-Technic G1. We'll cut to some B-roll now to show you how our installers fitted the PPF this week. There you go.
Thank you.
McLaren awaiting handover, and then the guys are just finishing up this Range Rover Sport SV, which is getting full gloss PPF to absolutely everywhere. They're just finishing the bonnet now. You can see the badges have been removed, those will be refit. So yeah, about a day off that being finished, and then we'll crack on with this green over tan long wheelbase.
Too sure which dealer the customer got this one from, but I know it's local to us. Got another one in at the minute, which is from Land Rover Ripon. This is also getting full car paint protection film, and he's opted for the
Yeah, I don't know what green it is.
Yeah, I don't know what green it is, but it's gorgeous. It goes along with the the tan interior as well. So that's also another stunning car that we've got in. So 2 Range Rovers in this week for full car PPF. I just think this SV is absolutely crazy because the options that the customer's got you don't normally see on a Range Rover. So got some B-roll to show you the 2 Range Rovers in.
Middleman, I'm the man to man, send it in. I like what I like, me, I know my rights is sipping in. I like having fun, I do what I want, it's what it is. For my son and son, for my daughters, yeah, it's for my twin. I work through the night, I do what I like, get a check, I go for the ride. I've been down the ride for the win, still move on the hush, never run for none. I face my fears, I just drop for none, month to month, still from year to year. New watch, no diamonds, new watch, good timing, yeah. New watch, no diamonds, new watch, good timing, yeah. I'm sporty and rich, I'm sporty and rich, I'm sporty and rich. Do it again, again, again. I'm sporty and rich, I'm sporty and rich, I'm sporty and rich. Do it again, again, again. Get some checks, I invest, and I spend a check. Spend a check, get it back, then I take a rest. Only race is the human, I take care of my skin. I was doing this as a rookie, now I'm up to bet. Set the trend, set the pace of play. I don't trip, but if I fall, bet I make a way. I take trips in the fall, watch the leaves change.